Next incident is about Govindram and his family. They used to live in Janiana village. उनका वहाँ पे जो ऑक्यूपेशन है, दे आर हैविंग अ स्मॉल जनरल स्टोर, लेकिन जो उनकी अर्निंग है इट्स नॉट दैट मच सफिशिएंट. ओके, वो इतनी ही होती है कि उनकी जो बेसिक नीड है वो कंप्लीट हो जाती है. नाउ हिज सन दे आर ग्रोइंग अप ग्रेजुअली. उनके जो बच्चे हैं वो धीरे धीरे बड़े हो रहे हैं. One day, one of the relative had come to the village, and the relation is Govindram's cousin. So, when he had come to the place, he took both his sons with him to the city. क्योंकि उसकी सिटी में एक शॉप थी और उस शॉप में वर्क करने के लिए वो उनके दोनों बेटों को लेकर गया. As time passed, Govindram's son Chandraram wanted to started his own business. जैसे जैसे टाइम निकलता गया, गोविंदराम का जो सन था नेम चंद्राराम, he had learned so much of work and later on he wanted to start his own business. There were so many problems because shortage of money, proper place was not available. But during this situation also they didn't give up. Relatives had also helped them, and later on he has started his own business, and slowly that business has started to give benefits. And as they sat over there, finally they had called their family also. So brother, sister, they all had started to study in the city. So overall they had well settled in the city. So here the reason of migration is just for the employment and later on the business purpose. Just around your house, you have also seen so many families that had migrated due to different reasons. Out of them, some of the students will be there कि जो हायर स्टडीज के लिए पास के विलेज से यहाँ पे आए हैं. There is a town named गालियाकोट in डूंगरपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट. डूंगरपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो है उसमें गालियाकोट नाम की एक जगह है. वहाँ पे जो फेमस आर्किटेक्चर के एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, दैट वाज होली श्रीन ऑफ मुस्लिम सेंट फखरुद्दीन, शीतला माता टेम्पल, जैन टेम्पल, सोमनाथ टेम्पल. दीज आर वेरी गुड एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर. मीन्स उनका जो वर्क है एंड उनका जो डिज़ाइन है दैट इज़ वेरी गुड अकॉर्डिंग टू द आर्किटेक्चर. वो जो एरिया है दैट हैड बिकम लो लाइंग एरिया, मीन्स उनका जो लेवल है वो डाउन हो गया है बिकॉज ऑफ द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ कडाना डैम इन गुजरात स्टेट. गुजरात स्टेट में जो डैम का कंस्ट्रक्शन हुआ था नेम कडाना डैम, उसकी वजह से ये एरिया लो लाइंग एरिया हो गया. इसका मतलब है कि जब वहाँ से पानी को छोड़ेंगे this area will be full with water. So when this area will be full with water, then whatever person used to live over there, they will face problem, or that area will be flooded completely. Because of this reason, government, they have already shifted that person to the different place. और गवर्नमेंट ने उन लोगों को दूसरे प्लेस पे जो शिफ्ट किया, वहाँ के लिए गवर्नमेंट हैज़ ऑलरेडी मेड अ कॉलोनी और कंस्ट्रक्ट अ बिल्डिंग एंड प्रोवाइडेड डिफरेंट फैसिलिटीज टू दैट कॉलोनी. Facilities are basic, that included school, hospital, etc. And such kind of colonies are called rehabilitation colony. But some of the persons will be there who are not interested in leaving that area, so they are still living over there. But that can be risky. In old time, what are the things that are needed by a person? It was food, cloth and shelter. But nowadays our needs will be different. With these three things we need education also, employment also, and so many other comfort also. Generally we all want to live in a big city, so this is a type of comfort for ourselves. So these all are the part of basic facilities or necessities, and some of the people, they used to migrate because of this reason also.